Hospice of St. Luke's. And I'd like to remind everyone that they're having a seminar on October 22 to 24 at St. Luke's Medical Center. And now, ladies and gentlemen, these two dance instructors have been making headlines all over the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all bow and please welcome the Justice Ponzi and Honorable Mary Beth Bichara.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming
Justice,
salamat po.
Well, we are being elevated to higher ground now,
title na
huh?
naman. Pambira itong show na ito. Ang dami ko ng title.
But you know, I must compliment you on the way you look tonight.
Parang you're reminding me to thank Danilo Franco.
Oh, I think so, yes.
And Cardams for my shoes,
Yes.
of course. Thank you.
And who do you think I have to thank?
Well, say it right away.
Benz Adriano for my shirt and pants. And of course, Federico Shoes, manufactured by Fosdick Shoes of Fosdick Shoes Manufacturing of Marikina.
Okay? Stop touching.
I can't help it, okay? Right?
No. Alam mo, magagalit ang Tita Sylvia Latorre ko.
Aha.
Okay. Anyway, you remember the way back, the Wea Twins?
The late 70s, yes, they were...
Yung mga Wea Twins ang gagaling sumayaw, panahon ng mga Wea dancers din.
Yes.
Ganyan sila kaliliit.
Then.
Ang cute nila sumayaw talaga. They're so good.
And here,
now,
tonight,
they're here with us,
they've
Ponzi.
grown up now.
Medyo,
Joy and Gay. Come on.
Ayan. Lumaki na po sila ng konti. Anyway, good luck.
And now they do us the
Good
honor.
luck also.
Right?
And you're going to learn the West Coast Swing
Yes,
dance.
please.
Okay?
And we have
Thank you. They're
another
so cute.
friend of ours who's going to join us.
Ito talagang, dance goddess. Walang tatalo.
Fittingly so.
Oo. At saka napakabait na anak.
The woman in red
The
tonight.
woman in red.
The woman in red.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
Exotic. Nandun na lahat. Let's all welcome Miss
Amanda. Escorted by Chico Boy Miguel, the Kilabot of the Colegialas.
Ano ba?
Kilabot of the Colegialas.
Kilabot ng mga koleala.
Yeah.
Magkasama sila ng dance goddess. Oh, sige, kayo ang partner. Uy.
Nice couple, huh?
Okay, let's teach them already.
Okay, let's go to West Coast Swing. This is the last segment of the West Coast Swing.
Last na po ito. So, let's
Thanks to Mr.
Albert
Di Marukut. Our guy.
Love you, Albert. Thank you really for bringing in the West Coast Swing for
yes.
everybody here to
Among
learn.
others, yeah.
And we got a lot of calls that they enjoy the West Coast Swing.
Yeah, the way this guy moves his hips, I mean, you can't say no. I mean, you know. Huh?
Hindi, kasi international na yan. Magko-compete na to internationally. And we're proud of you, Albert. Really, we
Yes,
are.
we are. We are proud of Albert. Okay. The
Remember
last
the
segment.
basic step?
Yes,
It's still the same.
Yes, it is.
Only.
I go up, down, you go downtown.
All right.
I go with the left foot, you go with the right foot.
Okay.
Here we
let's
go.
Go.
1, 2, clip, back, 1, 2, 3, and kick, ball, change. And you turn to go back. We go opposite ways. 1, 2, clip, back, 1, 2, 3, and kick, ball, change.
One last time.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, clip, back, 1, 2, 3, kick, ball, change, and 1, 2, clip, back, 1, 2, 3, and kick, ball, change.
Okay, so maybe it's gonna be more
Wonderful with the
wonderful
music.
with the
Yes,
music.
of course. I'm shaking all over. Let's do it.
West Coast swing at home. Meanwhile, allow me to say thank you to all our televiewers tonight. Thank you very much for joining us. And we'll see you next week on behalf of on behalf of Eezy Dancing. Thank you very much. And stay healthy. And we love you. Thank you very much. And join us for another week of Hot Ball Resurrection.